I'm in Milwaukee, just north of it. I think they call it Glendale, Wisconsin. But there's a car here that really stands out. It's a Camaro. I'm unloading tomatoes I picked up in LA. Really north of LA. Now look at this. Now it looks like it's got a rag top. I don't know if it's convertible, but that's a Camaro. It's got huge rims. The suspension's probably pretty tight. I wonder how expensive those rims are. Yeah, it's got ribs. It is a Camaro. It's got about an inch-and-a-half play. But he went with it. You think he's got to raise the suspension to get those tucked in there. But this is what they do with Camaros. It's probably really fast. The speedometer is going to have to be reset. But it's something to really look at. It stands out. It sits up really high. But you really have to put some work on suspension to get those tucked in there. But he did it. That is really a standout. It's, let me look here. It's 30-inch rims, 255, 30s. 225 is the tread, and 30% of that's the width is the sidewall. So 30% of the 255 is the sidewall. So 255/30, and the rims are 30-inch rims. Wow. But if you have a Camaro and you decide to raise it and tuck it, this is it. And with the top down, the way he goes in Milwaukee, I bet everybody looks at him. That is impressive. And he works here to pay this off. 30-inch rims on a Camaro. But I bet he's really proud. But he had to raise that up just to get those tucked in. And he figured it out. It's cute. A lot of money for the car alone. But I wanted to share that with you. As you can see, that stands out. And what you can do to a Camaro. 255/30s. So 255 is how wide the tire is. And then 30% of that is the sidewall. Went to 30s. Instead of 50s like the good old days, he went to 30 for the sidewall. I wonder how the steering is. 30-inch rims. It's all about jumping in. You have to really jump up, but he's got that raise. You got to raise the suspension. I figured any other cars are what the stock ones are, but like convertible with the top down in cruising Milwaukee everybody probably really looks at them. But it really stands out. There's nothing else you can do with it. It's just stock. I don't think he drives it in the winter. If he does, then he's got to pay his bills. Huh. We went with these kind of rims. Torque. AZARA is the brand. Looks like he's hit the fenders, got a little bumped around. 255/30, and it's R30, so the rim is 30-inch. Damn. Something else you could do with it. That is so neat. That's an eye catcher. But yeah, you can see what they do in Milwaukee. That is a standout Camaro. All that money you spend, you throw rims like that on there. I guess you gotta really change the speedometer. Gotta figure out what kind of speedometer you want. I wanted to give you that last look. Alright, back to my truck. Looks like I got another load going to LA, so I'm gonna shoot over there. Gotta be there Tuesday. Oh, we got red lights, so they're unloading me now. That's nice. He banged at my door about 5:30 in the morning. It's a dirty truck, but I only got one day here, and then I gotta shoot over. Yeah, a lot of bugs. But I did some touch-up. I found some paint that matches. Now the bugs are covering it, but did a lot of touch-up on the bumper. And rocks hit it, it takes the paint off, and then it looks like there's black behind it. Doesn't look like it's been primered, just painted in silver. I'm doing everything I can to keep this looking brand new. Keeping up to you're doing about 200,000 miles a year on this truck. Get 1 million every, I try to do 5 to 6 years. It'll be about probably 6 years. I do 1 million miles every 6. 5.5 to 6 years. But I appreciate your time. Good old Camaro. I just wanted to share that with you. keeps me awake.